be challenging these days to retain clients and even find new clients during the coronavirus pandemic. So today I am sharing ways that agencies can make adjustments to ensure the income keeps rolling in. Let's start this off with some ideas to help you retain your clients. The first thing that you need to do is consider your client's biggest problems right now as it pertains to this very unusual climate that we're all in. Your regular services really might not be what they need right now. So consider finding ways that you can directly help them overcome the obstacles that the COVID crisis places on them. Find ways that you can consult them and help them create solutions that keep them open and profitable. Another thing that you might do is to increase the value to the services that you are already offering your clients. So instead of cutting your pricing, increase your offerings. For example, if you're a social media manager and your clients are paying you for Facebook and Instagram marketing, maybe throw in blogging or email marketing for the next 3 months at no additional cost. If the value is there for your clients, they may continue to keep paying you your current rate. Be sure to choose service offerings that you can do without taking up too much more of your time, but are still super valuable to your clients. Now is also a great time to release courses, boot camps, challenges, and the like. Moving away from a one-to-one format and into a one-to-many format is not only more affordable for the end client, but also allows you to make money without trading more time. Another thing that you can do is to become a matchmaker and find complementary companies that can partner up and co-market. For example, a real estate company and a mortgage company would be a great co-partnership arrangement. You get paid to do the same amount of marketing and work because it is a co-marketing collateral, and the client shares in the cost. So it's more affordable to them. Now, when it comes to finding new clients, all the things that I have discussed before can help you. But at the end of the day, you need to find out the pain points of your ideal client, especially right now, and come up with very specific ways that you can help solve those issues. Just going to a lead and saying, I can build you a chatbot, that's not gonna cut it. You need to show them how your services are going to directly impact their bottom line right now, like right now. Something else you should be doing right now, and even when this pandemic is over, is regularly auditing your expenses. Go through and cut out anything that you are paying for that you simply don't use. Marketing tools, hosting services, and the like could be on autopay, and you may not even know it and have totally forgotten. Trim the fat and cut those costs. Also, look for more affordable alternatives to services that you already use. If you're using a video conferencing platform that costs you X amount a month, go research to see if anything is better or similar at a lower price. Remember, new tools are being released all the time, and there may be a better option for you out there. Finally, I would like to stress the importance of continuing to market your business right now. Now is not the time to sit idle. Now is the time to produce content that gives value to your ideal clients. Now is a great time to stay in front of your audience with SMS and email, which of course Manychat can help you do easily and affordably. Use this time to build up your brand and prepare for the future, because the future is going to be bright if you do all the work right now. I hope that you found these tips helpful. I would love to hear from you. What are you doing to retain clients or find new clients right now? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, as we will be bringing you even more strategies, tips, and how-to videos here on the Manychat channel. Thank you so much for watching, and be well.